everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my full skincare routine using a few new products that I've recently purchased, including the Peter Thomas Roth Mask-a-Holic kit, some new Rodan&Fields stuff, and also a sample from TATCHA. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I use these products to take care of my skin, let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, so the first thing that I like to do is tie my hair back. That way I don't get any product in my hair. So the first thing that I'm going to use is Clinique's Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. That basically just melts all of the makeup off of my face. I typically take a little bit of this in each section of my face and rub it in circular motions until all of the makeup is removed. And then I take some Pond's makeup wipes and just wipe off the excess product. Now I'm just going to take my Clarisonic Mia 2 and wash my face. Today I'm using a sample of TATCHA's The Deep Cleanse, but most of the time I typically use Clinique's Liquid Mild Facial Soap. So now that my face is cleansed and dried, I'm going to use the 24 karat gold mask and the Hydra gel eye patches from the Peter Thomas Roth Mask-a-Holic kit. The directions say to apply this with moistened fingertips and to rub in a circular motion to, work the ingredients into your face a little better. The actual purpose of this mask is to firm, lift, and brighten the appearance of your skin, but let's be honest, it's really pretty too. Now that I've got the mask applied, I'm going to put the hydrogel patches on, and these are supposed to help with crow's feet and fine lines and dryness underneath my eyes. Alright, so now I'm going to let these masks sit for about 7 minutes, and then I'll be right back after I've washed it off. Alright, so now that those masks are completely washed off and my face feels absolutely glorious, let's go ahead and tone with Clinique's clarifying lotion. So now that my toner is completely dry, I'm going to moisturize with Clinique's Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. And now I'm going to apply some of this organic argan oil just to add a little bit of extra moisture to my face and to prevent any dryness that I may have. I usually take a towel or something to dab off the excess just because I don't want my face to get too oily. Now that my face is moisturized and everything, I'm going to apply some of my Rodan&Fields Lash Boost to the top of my lash line. The general rule is one swipe every night, but I do sometimes forget. But I do my best to apply it nightly. That way my lashes will continue to grow to be voluminous and long and pretty. After I get done applying it to my top lashes, I blink a couple of times. That way some of it gets on my bottom lash line. The final step in my routine is to apply some of this lip renewing serum that's supposed to help with the appearance of lip wrinkles and hydrates my lips. I always exfoliate before use so that it can soak in really well. This stuff is actually quite expensive, but it lasts a good while because one bead is usually good for about 2 to 3 uses. Alright guys, and there you have it. There is my full skincare routine. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.